Hello everyone, welcome to back our YouTube channel Team DM Agency. So in this video we are going to learn how to set up our URL. Because when we are creating a LinkedIn account, that time LinkedIn authority give us a randomly name. So after that, when we have done created our LinkedIn account, then we can set our own LinkedIn URL. So how to set up it? Firstly, you click the your main name, profile name. Then you can see here the edit public profile and URL. So click here. After that you can see edit your custom URL. Okay, here is the your custom URL. Personalize the URL for your profile. Here is the name, Vishnu Laura, and here is some words. So I want on to just click here my own name. Okay, and then I try to save it. If the name is available, then will be saved. Yes, this name is available. Okay, so I just refresh here. As you can see, here is the my profile link is setup done. So by this way you can set up your all a LinkedIn public URL. And here I have also lots of options. So which one you need user setup? Here is the your public profile is public background, so everything here you can set up your all processing. So if you really like this video and if for helpful, then please like and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.